Hey, Miss Amy, video journal number 6 for the sales class. Top of mind awareness for a product is something that I was just reading about, and something it says specifically is that you really need to narrow down the niche, however you say that, of your audience. And first thing that came to my mind, I'm sure you've heard of it, it's pretty funny. You don't have to be lonely at farmersonly.com. That's definitely like a really specific audience that farmersonly.com is tailoring to. And I think that it's going to be top of mind awareness to anybody that's like talking to some redneck or just rural individual, more politically correct term, I guess, just somebody with more of that kind of personality type persona, if you will. And they're like talking about, hey, I'm lonely, and my dog's just not keeping me company. Like that's going to be the very first thing that they think about is that little jingle, and they're going to be like, "Dude, you should stop with the Tinder. You should get on Farmers Only." Blah blah blah. So anyway, and I think it's super effective. Like if I was talking to a redneck right now, that's the first thing that'd be out of my mouth. I'd be like, "Hey, you should give that thing a try." And that's my example. I'm at about a minute 20. And let me see what else the prompt was, and give an example of one product or service. Yeah, explain how a company can use, bro. Yeah, okay. I addressed the prompt. All right. I'll see you in class, Miss Amy. Bye bye.